Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So now in this video today, I'm going to be decorating a table for two for Easter on a budget. So come on with me. So I'm going to be decorating this table with items that I created in a previous video. So I thought this was appropriate. I have my blessed sign with the butterfly on the one end of the table. And then on the other end, I decided to use a rabbit in blue and black stripe. And I thought that came out really beautiful. Then I decided I was going to go ahead and do this table in black check setting. Now what I'm doing here is I'm starting out with these buffalo check bandanas that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. They are absolutely beautiful and they're such a nice size. So I'm going to place that at the end of the table as a runner, and that's what you see me doing here. I decided to add this little stand with another little mini crate floral arrangement that I made when I made the other two pieces. So I thought that would be nice in the center. So I'm going to leave you to music as I finish decorating this table. Okay guys, I am so happy with how this came out. I cannot wait for you to see the reveal. Let's head on over there. Okay, now let's go over here. Let's take a look at the tablescape. So like I said, along the runner side there, you see the rabbit, the little floral crates, and then you see the bless sign at the end. Now, moving over to the place setting, we have a white cloth napkin, and all I did was wrap a black paper napkin around that with a Dollar Tree napkin ring. Then these are the salad plates that I purchased, again, from the Dollar Tree, and they say blessed. Absolutely love these. Okay, and now the dinner plate is a plain black plate, which I think went very, very well with this place setting. And the chargers, I was so happy to get. Those I got from the Dollar Tree also. They were great. So now they also carry these utensil settings. The only thing I did with those is that I took out the silver and I placed gold ones inside of the sleeve. So I think we should walk around this table and take one good look at it. I think everything came together beautifully, and I hope you agree. So I hope you enjoyed my tablescape as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you guys. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day.